these are my 3 new cockatiels that I got yesterday. We have a heavy cinnamon pied male, pearl pied female, who's been slightly plucked by the mate. He plucked her last breeding season, but she should get all the feathers back. And then I got a cinnamon split pied male as well with them. The aviary that they're in is actually the one I got with the cockatiels. Well, I got the cockatiels with the aviary, I should say. And then we have Basil, who's mine. I put her in with them for a mate for the cinnamon split male there, split pied male. So he was a bit lonely because there was just a breeding pair and they're stuck together like glue, and he was a bit left out. He's much happier now. Hey Basil. Basil. Hey girl. Yeah, she's a pied female, Basil. I've had her for a while. She's a rehome that I took in, and I don't know how old she is. She's about 10 months, maybe 9. She's a bit young, but hopefully I'm going to breed her when she's old enough with the little cinnamon split pied male. And then these two will hopefully breed for me. Oh, there. Them two. It's very hot here today. So they've had a mist. The 3 new ones, the cinnamon split pied, and these two have only been here since yesterday. They're settling pretty well. And I put Basil in this morning, and she's settling pretty well with the other 3. Hopefully they'll all get along. So far so good. I guess I should tell you their names. You know Basil there, little pied female. Oh, he hasn't got a name yet, the cinnamon split pied there. And the male's name on the left, his name's Sage. And the female pearl pied is Lyra. And yeah, I just need a name for the little cinnamon split pied there. I don't know how old they are. 3 new ones. I guess they'll be around 2, maybe 3. Could be younger. This is sort of their setup. I gotta fix it up a little bit when I have the time. Yeah, like I said, she's plucked. Hopefully she'll get her feathers back soon. She looks a bit messy at the moment, but with time, hopefully he won't pluck her again next season when they breed.